You need a video script that is about 2 to 3 minutes long, focuses on how to set up teams and permissions in Wrike, starts with an engaging question, builds context, and ends with the specific closing line. Ever wondered how to get the right people working on the right projects without them tripping over each other in Wrike? Wrike is a powerful project management platform, but with great power comes great responsibility and the need for clear boundaries. If your workspace feels like a free-for-all, where everyone can see, edit, or accidentally mess up sensitive tasks, you're not getting the full benefit of the platform. The secret to maximizing efficiency and maintaining security in Wrike is mastering teams and permissions. Setting this up correctly ensures smooth collaboration, protects confidential data, and lets you scale your projects with confidence. We're going to break down the 2 key components you need to know: creating user groups, which Wrike calls teams, and applying those rules, which Wrike calls access roles and permissions. Let's start with teams. Think of teams as your organizational buckets. You might have a marketing team, an IT support team, or an executive leadership team. To create one, simply go to your account settings, click on the Users and Groups section, and select User Groups. Give your team a descriptive name like Product Development, and start adding the relevant members. This grouping makes assigning projects and managing notifications much faster later on. You don't have to add users individually to every single project. You just add the team. Now, for the really critical part, permissions. This is where you define what people can see and do. In Wrike, permissions are managed through access roles. By default, Wrike offers roles like admin, regular, external, and collaborator. These are a good starting point, but you'll often need to create a custom access role. For example, you might need a project viewer role that allows members to see tasks and reports, but specifically prevents them from deleting or editing anything. To set up a custom role, head back to Account Settings and look for Access Roles. Hit the plus sign and define the role's capabilities. You can be incredibly granular here, setting rules for everything from creating tasks and editing workflows to managing reports and inviting new users. Once you've defined your role, it's a 2-step process to apply it. First, assign the new access role to your users or the team you just created. Second, for individual folders or projects that have sensitive information, you need to set folder-level permissions. Right-click on the specific folder, go to Share, and define the access level for the individual users or teams. This is how you hide that executive compensation folder from the intern team, even if they share the same overarching parent folder. By using a combination of clearly defined teams and carefully crafted access roles, you turn your Wrike workspace from a chaotic free-for-all into a structured, secure, and highly efficient project ecosystem. It takes a few minutes to set up, but it saves countless hours and prevents major mistakes down the line. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.